Theodolite.
Theodolite. Anyone else? Anyone else?
So total station.
Total station. Anyone else? Just a minute, I'm holding it in top view. Anyone else? Quickly, please.
So minor dial.
Minus dial. No, it is a dumpy label. It is a dumpy label. And you can see this tripod.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are these? Just a minute. So, can you see the instrument now? Can you see the instrument now?
Not visual, sir.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the foot screws. Okay. These are the foot screws. You can see these foot screws in even theodolite total station in most of the serving instrument. This is the telescope from which you will see the foresight and backsight in this case. And this is the inbuilt compass in this dumpy level. So now tell me, why we use dumpy level?
For
Vikas Prashad? Yeah,
Labeling. So for labeling operations.
leveling.
for labeling of, what did you say, Vikas?
So for labeling operations.
For labeling of instrument.
For labeling operations.
Labeling operation, okay. And do you know foresight, backsight? Have you heard about these terms, foresight and backsight? I'm asking you people.
Yes, sir.
So what is foresight? Kumar Prince, what is foresight? Prince, what is foresight? Aman Kumar Hemram? Yeah, Kumar, you want to say?
Such foresight is mainly used for seeing the view of field.
Not speak loudly.
सर फील्ड व्यू के लिए यूज करते हैं सर।
किसके लिए यूज करते हैं?
और सर जहाँ पे सर्वेइंग करने जाते हैं वहाँ पे फॉरसाइट को मतलब देखने के लिए अगल बगल यूज करते हैं।
और बैक साइड पे जो देखते हैं?
यस सर, फॉरसाइट फॉर फॉरवर्ड एंड बैक साइड फॉर।
Okay, Ravi. Yes. Say.
सर बैक साइड का हम लोग सर फॉरवर्ड कैलकुलेशन के लिए हम लोग यूटिलाइज करते हैं इन द फर्स्ट रीडिंग टेकिंग ऑन द स्टाफ आफ्टर सेटिंग अप द इंस्ट्रूमेंट को हम लोग सेट करते हैं सर पहले। इनिशियली इट इज यूटिलाइज टू मेड टू सम फॉर्म ऑफ बेंचमार्क ऑन टू द पॉइंट व्हिच एलिवेशन हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डिटरमाइंड। इसका कारण ये
तो समझ में आया?
और सर लोग
हाँ, बोलो Ravi.
the backside is usually the first reading is taken after the setting of the instrument to determine of the instrument. इंस्ट्रूमेंट को हाइट के डिफाइन करते हैं और हाइट ऑफ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज इक्वल टू द एलिवेशन ऑफ द स्टेशन। स्टेशन का एलिवेशन के बराबर होना चाहिए। वे स्टाफ इज हेड पुल्स द रीडिंग ऑन द स्टाफ। ये होता है सर।
ओके प्रिंस, समझ में आया?
यस सर।
अमित प्रसाद? अमित प्रसाद? आयुष कुमार?
Which is ahead of first, and backside is a point which already discovered and which is behind us.
Backside is already discovered or foresight is already discovered?
Sir, backside is already discovered.
What do you mean by discovered?
Sir, we determined the point through various operations earlier.
In case of dumpy level operation or leveling operation, what do you mean by discovered?
Sir, we calculated its bearing or.
So it means for the backside we already know the reduced level of that point.
Elevation of the point.
Yes sir.
Okay, so Deepak Singh, you tell me what is reduced level? Deepak Singh. धीरज कुमार महतो?
Sir, height of any point measure with respect to main scale level. Main sea level.
What with?
Main sea level.
It's mean sea level. Not
Sorry, sir.
main sea level.
Mean sea level.
Mean sea level. So you people have gone through the notes which I have already shared with you. What do you mean by mean sea level? Just a minute. I will. Yeah, Fuleshwar Kisku. What do you mean by mean sea level? Kisku? What do you mean by mean sea level? Can you see this figure? Can you see this figure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by mean sea level? Who will answer? Harish Kumar Mato.
Sir, hello.
हाँ बोलो.
So mean sea level is the equipotential surface of the earth as described by the geolite.
Geoid.
Or it is used to measuring the elevation and altitude, sir.
और मेन सी लेवल से हाइट मेजर करते हैं.
So what is this basically? In terms of labeling operations, datum.
Sir, benchmark.
Benchmark. What's the difference between benchmark and datum? What is the difference between benchmark and datum?
Sir, datum is a level. Hello. Sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, datum is a level surface with respect to which the level of points are measured or referred to it. It may be the standard surface like mean sea level or an arbitrary surface. A benchmark में से ये है सर, it is a permanent or semi-permanent physical mark by known elevation. It is set a point of reference in order to provide point of beginning for determination elevation of other point.
रेलवे स्टेशन में MSL लिखा रहता है.
Yes.
तो वो क्या होता है? वो बेंचमार्क होता है कि डेटा होता है?
Elevation, sir.
वो बेंचमार्क है.
Datum.
रेलवे स्टेशन पे देखते होगे कि कुछ MSL लिखा रहता है. 152 MRL, 164 MRL. तो वो क्या होता है? बेंचमार्क होता है कि डेटा होता है?
सब बेंचमार्क में.
बेंचमार्क सर.
Benchmark.
बेंचमार्क होता है. ठीक है. तो इस फिगर में ये लेबल्ड लाइन, रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइन और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. तो जब हम लोग लेबलिंग करते हैं तो हम लोग कौन से साइड को चूज करते हैं? x2 वाले पॉइंट को, x1 वाले पॉइंट को, या फिर हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन को? जब हम लोग को लेबल करना है, हम लोग को कौन सा पॉइंट चूज करना पड़ेगा?
सर x2 सर.
x2
शायद.
लेकिन चूज होता कौन सा है? C माइनस R. x2 प्लस C माइनस R चूज होता है. क्यों? कोई बोलेगा?
Sir, because of Earth is
Because of the correction of curvature and refraction.
Because of the line of sight. Because our line of sight focuses that point after refraction. R is the correction due to refraction. But when we have to label the surface, we must choose the point x2. Okay, what do you mean by geodetic survey? Geodetic survey क्या होता है?
Sir, in this survey we
अच्छा एक मिनट, प्रियम
in this
बताएगा.
survey we
एक मिनट आयुष, प्रियम कुमार बताएगा. PM Kumar, what is geodetic survey? PM Kumar. Do you know everything is getting recorded? Mabel? She is not there. Okay. Mohammad Mehran, बताओ, what is geodetic survey?
Sir, in geodetic survey, we consider the curvature of the earth in surveying operations.
What do
We
you mean by
consider,
say loudly.
sir, we considered the curvature part of the earth. We means the earth. We know that the earth is a spheroid in shape. So, and for large area surveying, we use geodetic survey, and for small area surveying, we use plane survey.
Okay, what will happen if we will not consider the curvature of the earth? Shubham Raj? Shubham Raj,
Yes, sir.
what will happen if we will not consider the curvature of the earth's surface? Ravi, you want to answer?
So, not taking the influence of the earth curvature will be reading will not correct properly, and in the labeling also will be done in proper way.
सर वो एरर दे देगा.
एरर आएगा सर उसमें.
The point.
So for every
Yes, sir.
12 किलोमीटर 1 सेंटीमीटर का एरर आएगा.
ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट. एरर तो आएगा, एरर तो ऐसे भी आएगा, इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑपरेट करते वक्त भी एरर आता है, लेकिन उसको क्या
उसमें
you saw that figure. You saw this figure. This is this line, the level line, that is almost showing you the curvature of the earth's surface. If we will not consider the curvature of the earth's surface, this elevation error will be there. We will not have any proper elevation, we cannot place any vertical points with respect to a given vertical point. So that will be the error. Those problems will come. Suppose you have to design a shaft. Then will you consider the earth surface, curvature of the earth surface or not? Okay, so I'm stopping this discussion now. I will just show you the working of this dumpy level. So this is our dumpy level. And suppose we are sighting on that foresight, on that backside whose elevation is known. That point's elevation is known, and we have by using this. What is this?
Sir, your fingers are covering the camera.
Yeah, just a second. So now tell me, what is this? A vertical staff or the labeling staff. Okay. We will take the reading from this dumpy level to that particular point. Then to the other point, we will move it, and we will focus on the next scale. You can check the next scale. So you can check this next scale. First we will target on that. Then using our dumpy level, we will again target on this new scale, this new labeling staff. So in this manner, what we will record?
Foresight and backside.
Yes. We will record foresight and backside. And likewise, then again, and where our instrument is standing, what is that point? If we have to calculate the height of the station, if we have to calculate the height of the instrument, then what point we will choose? You may need to calculate the height of the instrument.
So we will measure the backside of a point whose benchmark we know.
Okay. Okay, so डंपी लेवल सबको समझ में आया? दिखा ठीक से? डंपी लेवल से कोई क्वेश्चन करना है तो पूछो. If anyone having any questions regarding the dumpy level, ask.
Sir, what is the application of dumpy level?
What is the application of
Dumpy level.
अरे रोमी पूछो.
Yes, sir. Leveling.
पूरा क्लास डंपी लेवल पे डिस्कस हो चुका, लेवलिंग पे डिस्कस हो चुका. उसके बाद तुम पूछ रहे हो व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ डंपी लेवल.
Sir, means definition पता है. Dumpy level is commonly used leveling instrument to locate the point in the same horizontal plane. But इसका application sir नहीं समझ में आ रहा.
Sorry, I could not hear you properly. फिर से बोलो प्लीज.
तो मतलब डेफिनेशन पता है सर. इसमें बोल रहा है कि सेम हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन को हम लोग मेजर करते हैं, लेवल यूज करते हैं. बट इससे ना.
अच्छा तुम यहाँ चैट बॉक्स में लिखो तो तुम्हारा आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा.
ओके सर.
अच्छा कोई और आंसर करना चाहेगा? आयुष्मान
सर फॉर लेवलिंग.
उसके क्वेश्चन का आंसर तुम करोगे? Why we use dumpy level with the explanation? जल्दी बोलो. Okay, what is this instrument?
Total station.
Sir, total station.
No, it's digital theodolite. I have not shown you the total station yet. This is digital theodolite. How we label the digital theodolite or any theodolite or any dump label? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what we are doing basically right now.
Sir, the screen is not shared. Sir, another screen is not shared. That's why.
Okay, don't do this video. Yeah. What we have done right now, can I even tell?
So we have fixed the.
Sir, fixing the theodolite on tripod stand.
Yes, sir.
So we have mounted our theodolite on tripod stand. So how we will label this instrument? We have mounted. This is not label. Can you check the label?
Sir,
They're
screen is
using
not
bubble
visible,
tube.
sir.
One of the labeling bubble. Can
Sir,
you see
spirit
this?
level.
Not.
Bubble
Sir,
tube.
nothing is visible.
Which किसको विजिबल नहीं है? ऋषभ सिंह और कोई? सबको विजिबल है बाकी लोगों को?
Sir, visible
No,
है.
sir. Yes, sir. Visible है, sir.
No, sir.
ऋषभ only you have problem.
No, sir. It is visible to me.
Okay. This is our labeling screw. You can see what?
सर विजुअल नहीं है सर.
कैसे विजिबल नहीं है? बाकी लोगों को विजिबल है, बाकी लोगों को विजिबल नहीं है.
सर मेरे को भी विजिबल नहीं है सर.
नहीं आ रहा है सर, नहीं दिख रहा.
पिन करना पड़ेगा जाके वहाँ.
अरे पिन
करो,
करना
उसके बाद
पड़ेगा
दिखेगा.
उसको जाके सर
तुम
का.
विजिबल नहीं हो मेरे दूसरे अकाउंट को. तुम लोग जो अभी फोन से यूज हो रहा है उसको तुम लोग पिन मत करो. पहले चीज अनपिन करके रखो. डू नॉट पिन मी. किसको नहीं दिख रहा है?
सर विजिबल है सर.
Sir, me, sir. Not visible.
सर नहीं विजिबल है सर.
Out which you should not. Now see this instrument. This is our telescope. This is one of the leveling bubble. This is our digital display. By this zero set, we can set into 0, which is now showing 359 degree, 59 minutes, 46 seconds. Because it is very sensitive. Even just shake will change its whole reading. This is optical plummet. From this, we will center our instrument after fixing on the tripod. This has a working mechanism of mirror deployed at 45-degree angle within the instrument. That helps us to center the instrument. This is our one of the tangent screw. This is main screw. This is tangent screw. This is our next labeling bubble method. This. So we need two labeling bubbles to set our instrument. आप सबको दिखा ये सब इंस्ट्रूमेंट का डिटेल्स?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going back to the Romi Kumar questions. Means we measuring label. Why show me an application? Romi, your question is not very clear. See, we label the surface for many reasons. Suppose you have to make a road. That may be our haul road for open cast mine or underground mine roadways. Then you need to label the surface. What will happen if we will not label the surface? What will happen? अरे रोड में गाड़ी चलाते हो नहीं चलाते हो? बाइक चलाते हो? साइकिल, बाइक?
अनइवन सरफेस रहेगा तो सर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में प्रॉब्लम होगी।
ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में प्रॉब्लम होगा, अनड्यूरेशंस होंगे तो बॉडी में अननेसेसरी वाइब्रेशन आएंगे। किसी को मोशन सिकनेस है यहाँ पे? माने अगर कोई कार में जाता है तो उल्टी होता है?
यस सर।
क्यों होता है?
सर हम लेवलिंग ऑफ द लैंड।
और वो कब होता है? जब रोड स्मूथ है, रोड ज्यादा खराब है तब होता है। कब होता है वो चीज?
सर जब रोड अनलेवल रहता है
तब होता है। तो लेवल करने के बहुत सारे रीजन है, हम लोग लेवल क्यों करते हैं। अब हमने थोड़ेलाइट का यूज किया है। इस थोड़ेलाइट में तुम लोगों को दिखा, यहाँ पे हम जीरो सेट कर सकते हैं। व्हाट डू मीन बाय जीरो सेट?
Sir, voice is not clear.
Sir, fixing a datum point.
Fixing a data point. Okay. Sunil Kumar. See, in our digital light, there is no upper plate and this is easily movable. But if you will see simple light, you will find there is upper plate, there is lower plate. In that case, how we will actually fix our 0 point is we will first coincide our upper plate and lower plate at 0 degree. Then we will lose the upper plate and then we will move it, then it will measure the angle. But in this case, our digital light, we do not need to do all those things. We will just sight at a particular point and we will zero set from our display. When we are measuring angle, so we always fix our initial point at 0 degree. When we are measuring our angle using theodolite or total station. Do I need to explain why we need to put or why we need to set a 0 degree to our initial point? Do I need to explain that?
Correct measuring, easy measuring.
Rumi, maybe your connection is not good and your voice is really not audible properly. And okay, just a minute. Shubham Raj.
Yes, sir.
Why yes. Did you hear my question?
Sir, your voice is not audible. Hello.
How my voice is not audible? Is my voice is not audible to any of you? Vikas Prasad, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Shubham, if you don't want to attend, you can leave the class. But just don't make these excuses.
सर वो एको हो रहा है सर, एको हो रहा है।
Okay. हाँ अभी भी एक और है क्या?
No, sir. Hello.
हाँ अभी बताओ आंसर। हम लोग को 0 क्यों सेट करना पड़ता है इनिशियल पॉइंट के लिए? Why we need to set 0 for the initial point when we are taking measurement using theodolite or total station?
ताकि डेटा पॉइंट को फिक्स करना हो सर, ताकि
डेटा पॉइंट फिक्स करना हो। Anyone else? सचिन कुमार? सचिन
सर अगर
कुमार?
कोई प्रीवियस रीडिंग है तो वो नेक्स्ट कैलकुलेशन में वो इंक्लूड ना हो जाए।
It's very easy actually. Previous calculation may include now first of all. Then how we measure? We do not start to measure from 1.2 degree or 24.5 degree. We start measuring from 0 degree or 0 centimeter or 0 meter. Then we start measuring it. It is very simple. So that when we will measure our angle, it will be exactly what we need to measure. We do not need to take a burden of extra calculation. If you start from 25 degree 45 minutes and you have measured the 60 degree 46 minutes or 60 degree 60 degree 20 minutes, then what will be the angle? 25 degree 40 minutes you have started and 60 degree 20 minutes you have found. Then what will be
the difference between
them? And when our initial point will be 0, then what will be the angle? What we have measured.
What we have.
It is so simple, and I need to answer those things here. So total station, I will show you the total station within some minutes, but you just tell me if you have any doubt regarding theodolite and measurement. हाँ बोलो, किसी को कोई डाउट है तो बताओ। तो कोई डाउट नहीं है? Regarding total station, this is our total station. Okay, just a minute. Until you tell me, any of you, what are the application of total station?
for measuring length and angle.
So for measuring distance.
For measuring distance, for measuring length and angle. और क्या क्या हो सकता है टोटल स्टेशन से?
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, it is a measure for the three-dimensional structure.
3-dimension
Structure, sir.
Okay. अच्छा ये बताओ इसका डिस्प्ले विजिबल है?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the bubbles? Just a minute. Can you see the bubble? Can you see the bubble here in the display? Don't pin me, don't pin that account. I need to use both phone and laptop. So tell me if it's visible or not.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
So bubble is visible? So bubble is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
And the instrument?
Yes, sir.
So have you seen the difference between total station and your digital theodolite? This is our digital theodolite. It has its display. It has only some selective buttons on its panel. But see this. It also shows you it can show you a lot of things which I can show you if you would be here. You have any questions regarding total station?
So what are the drawbacks of total station, sir?
What are the
Drawbacks.
drawbacks? Okay. Can you see this red light coming out of the total station telescope?
Yes, sir.
This is focused here on the wall. Drawbacks of total station. Tell me, can you use total station properly in underground? What will be the problem you will face?
Sir, problem in leveling the equipment. Sir, there will be problem in leveling the total station.
Sir, adjustment of instrument in the underground mines also, sir.